In this video, we take a look at transaction MB51 in the SAP system. MB51 is used to evaluate material documents and displays all material movements that were posted for a specific material or within a specific period. It is a central tool in materials management when it comes to analyzing postings, tracking goods flows, or identifying causes of stock shortages. It is therefore particularly suitable for tracking material movements, such as goods receipts, production withdrawals, transfer postings, or inventory differences. The transaction is also helpful for clarifying posting errors or preparing for audits. Let's take a closer look. Start transaction MB51. A selection screen opens where you can enter various criteria. First, enter the material number. If you don't know it, you can search for and select it as usual using the Ask for Help function. In addition to the material, you can set other selection criteria to narrow down the evaluation. This includes, for example, the plant, a posting period, specific document types or transaction types, and the user who made the posting. After entering the desired filters, the list is started by clicking Execute. The results list shows all material documents that match the criteria. The display contains information such as the document number, posting date, plant, storage location, quantity, and, if available, recipient, cost centers, or document texts. Double-clicking on an entry opens the corresponding individual document in Transaction Migo. The list can be sorted, filtered, or exported to Excel as needed. Overall, MB51 offers an effective way to display transaction data in a transparent and traceable manner. It supports secure inventory management and is an important analysis tool in daily work with SAP.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.